Hey people, today I want to do a review on this right here. This is the Glider Co. Ballet right here. Paid $155 for this. It's pretty sick. I'll be going over the pros and cons by the saying, like the things I like and the things I don't like about this knife. So yeah. If you guys are actually looking, like, if you guys have seen this knife before and you want to buy it, don't buy it. Because, Squid Industries, they're way better. And this knife is about as good as the Squid, Triton. The Squid Triton, or Squid Trainer, the regular $110 one. This $150 one is just as good as a $110 one. So. And the other one I think is actually, the Squid Industries is better than this, actually. But yeah. So the things I like about this knife is it's kind of smooth. It's smooth. I like the length of it. It's not too short. It can do tricks decently. The reason why I don't like this knife is I'll tell you in a second by the things I don't like about it. But flip's good, looks kind of good, and comes with extra hardware. That's the thing I like about this knife. But the things I don't like about this knife is there's a lot of them. So, first one, it's too big and beefy, too thick, like really big. I don't know why they make it so big. So it's gonna be harder to do tricks. Second thing, it's really slippery, like buttery, smooth. It makes your fingers like really like butterfingers, and you cannot clean this crap off. It's just like, it's nothing on there. It's just the knife. I don't know. Materials just makes it really slippery. Another thing is there's a lot of handle play for this knife. That's if you don't tune it. Handle play. There's a lot of blade tap. A lot. This knife does not come with a screwdriver, so you're gonna have to buy a T10 for this. It takes T10s. Yeah. What else am I gonna say here? Blade rub. Too much rub. This is stonewashed. The blade is. You can't see in this lighting, but the blade's stonewashed, and that keeps on rubbing off from the inside of the handles. And the inside of the handles, you can see that little white line there. You see it? That's not from the knife. That came there once you get it, which made me really suspicious about this knife because, I was like, why wouldn't they give me a knife that's like that, But I guess it is what it is. That's really it about the things I don't like about it and the things I do like about it. But I'm gonna do some flipping with it, really, for like a minute or two. This thing's really good. I like it. It looks good in the camera, at least, so that's the reason why I like it. Sorry about the auto frame flips. I gotta like. Yeah, it's pretty great. I mean, it's Need scissors, chaplains are easy. Oh, another thing I don't like about it too is it's not crown spined, so it kind of hurts when you flip it. So watch out for that too. Oh no, I almost dropped it at my bed. So yeah, I like this knife a lot. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like this video, yeah, make sure to like this video. I'm gonna do some flipping next part. I'm gonna add some music to it, so just some no copyright sounds, just some no copyright music. So actually no, never mind. No, I guess I'm not doing it because I'm actually recording from the YouTube. So I can't add music in it. It's just a plain old YouTube music that they give out for free. So yeah, I'll make a future video of me flipping with music. So yeah, I guess peace out, guys. And for the last, when it gets to 6:45, I'm gonna end the video, but I'm just gonna flip. So yeah, peace.